Hey everybody, my name is Dr. Soren Paape from Smile Now Dental Group. When you come in for a dental implant consultation, one of the first things we do, besides the scan and exam, is to ask you about your medications. And for some people, that question feels a little personal. You might wonder, why does my dentist need to know about my blood pressure meds? Why does my thyroid medication have to do with dental implants? It's a fair question and an important one. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through why your full medication list matters, which meds affect implant treatment, and how we use that information to keep your procedure safe and successful. Let's start here. Dental implants aren't just cosmetic. They're surgical medical treatment involving your bone, soft tissues, immune system, and healing response. So the medications you take every day, they absolutely can influence how your body responds before, during, and after surgery. Knowing your medications helps us reduce risk, plan correctly, avoid complications, and make sure your recovery goes as smooth as possible. This isn't just protocol, it's personalized care. Let's talk about a few of the big ones we always want to know about. Blood thinners, such as aspirin, warfarin, Plavix, Eliquis, these affect bleeding and clotting during surgery. You may need to coordinate with your doctor to safely pause or adjust your dosage, depending on your medical history. Diabetes medications, whether it's oral meds or insulin, these impact healing and infection risk. We'll want to ensure your blood sugar is well managed before placing dental implants. Steroids or immunosuppressants, they can slow healing and affect how well your body integrates the implant. That doesn't mean you can't have treatment, it just means we may build more healing time or take extra precautions when you're on these meds. Osteoporosis medications such as bisphosphonates, like Fosamax, these can change how your bone remodels and repairs. In rare cases, long-term use can impact jaw healing, so we need to factor that into our surgical plan. SSRIs and antidepressants, some studies show that these might have a slight impact on bone metabolism and healing time. This definitely doesn't rule you out, but we just want to know what you're taking so we can support your healing timeline appropriately. We also want to know about thyroid meds, we want to know about hormone therapies, blood pressure medications, anti-anxiety or sleep aids, and then any supplements or remedies you take regularly. Even over-the-counter meds like ibuprofen or St. John's wort can interact with surgical recovery or sedation. The more we know, the better we can protect you. When you share your full medication list, here's what we do. We review it with your consultation and your medical history intake. We're going to coordinate with your primary care provider or specialist if needed. We'll build your treatment timeline around your unique situation. We tailor your sedation, pain management, and healing support plan to you. And we never make assumptions. We ask questions so we get it right. This is especially important if you're taking multiple medications or managing multiple conditions. We're not just treating your smile, we're caring for your whole health. We're not asking to be nosy, we're asking to be safe, precise, and thorough. Our job is to make sure you heal well, it's to keep your experience comfortable, to avoid any avoidable complications, and to help your implants succeed long term. You've trusted us with your health, and we take that seriously. If you're planning for dental implants and unsure whether your medications will affect your candidacy or results, don't guess, just ask. Click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation at Smile Now Dental Group. We'll go over your medical history, scan your bone, answer your questions, and build a plan that puts your safety and long-term success first. Thanks for watching. Make sure to reach out if you have any questions at all. I hope you have a great rest of your day.